Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the group name generator tool to create the perfect name for your team, band, group or organization. Alright, so this is a free group name generator tool that you can use by going to the URL groupnamegenerator.com. I will also link it in the description below, and it uses AI to come up with unique group name ideas. And it's really easy to use. So all you have to do is open up the tool page. Then under describe your group, you can add a description of what kind of group names you want to generate. So let's say a Bitcoin mining group. Then you can also add a style. So modern, professional, creative and artistic, technical, traditional. So whatever you want. And then all you have to do is click on the generate group names button here. And as you can see, we get some really good names like Satoshi Stackers, which resembles Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin blockchain Catalyst. So really good names. And if you like any of them, you can click on the copy button here, or you can click on generate more and the AI will generate more group name ideas. As I mentioned, this tool is absolutely free and it uses AI. So for me, it costs a little bit of money. If you want to support the development of the tool and the API costs, then you can buy us a coffee. I will provide a link under the tool so you can support the project. As you can see, we have specific tools for specific group types. So you can also use these group name generator tools. You can get access to them from the header. But all in all, this is how you can use the group name generator tool to come up with great and unique group name ideas for anything.